Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some new releases for you today. These will be going up in the store tomorrow, Friday, August 21st. We have 4 monthly kits and then some scripts to show you. So we'll start with the monthly kits. These 4 match the budget kits that just went in the store last week. So we have Autumn Blossoms here, and again, we've got our decorative page and our functional page. It is available in Monday Start and Sunday Start. If you buy the printable version, you do get both versions of it, and you also get the headers for the months that you can pop in there as well. Okay, so that's Autumn Blossoms. We have Autumn Wardrobe here. This is one of my favorite ones. Super excited to use that one. We have Blooming, which you are actually going to see this pattern in pop up in another spot next week as well. I just want to cover my entire life with this pattern here. And then our last one is Halloween. So again, all available in Monday and Sunday starts, sized for a standard A5 wide planner, but would fit and could be adapted for most planners. Okay, so these are the 4 monthly kits that are going to be up in the store. Where's the other page of this one? Here we go. Tomorrow. All right, now on to some scripts. So I have 4 different words or phrases, whatever, in 3 different options for you. So they are to do, work, errands, and appointments. So we'll start with to do, and I'll show you all 3. So this is option 1. This is sort of my standard font. So I don't know if you can see the kiss cut on those. I think you can. Okay, so kiss cut, there are a ton of them. I haven't even counted how many are on here. Okay, I just counted. There are 112 stickers on this sheet. So definitely a lot of them there. Okay, this is option 2. This is the script that I've been using in my planner recently. Okay. And then option 3 is a pretty script font that's got the little tails on them. Okay, so I'm going to show you these in a planner page as well in a moment, so you can see how they look. All right, the next one we have is work. So again, there is option 1, and I'm not going to count all of them. There are many on this sheet. Okay, option 2, and then option 3. All right, these will also all be available in foiled options as well. There'll be gold, silver, rose gold, purple, pink, rainbow hollow, I think, and possibly one other. Okay, the next one we have is appointments. So there is option 1. Hope that's focusing. I feel like my eyes aren't focusing today, so I couldn't even tell you. Option 2. And then option 3. I love this appointment one. Right, and then the last script that we have is errands. So again, option 1, option 2, and option 3. Okay, so these 4 scripts in 3 different options will be on, they'll be in the store tomorrow. And then the last thing I have is this little sheet of little arrows. So I've been wanting to add some icons to my store for a while now. Haven't been able to get around to it, but I did have a request for them this week, so I thought I would get these done as well. So there are 2 sets of arrows. They're sort of mirror image, so you have them pointing in all 4 directions, either up or down. There are 60 arrows on a sheet. Okay, so I'm going to show you what these look like in a planner. So I just pulled an extra one of these. These are the Dutch door inserts that I use in my planner. So there are a bunch of different ways that you can use these to illustrate. I'm going to show you a couple of them. These are just leftover boxes from the kit that I used last week in my planner. These are from Planner Pixie Co. Whoops, I just hit my camera. Sorry about that. So one way would be to do this. It's crooked. We're going to pretend it's straight. I'm going to pull out the appointment script. So you can grab your little appointment and put it at the top there. So you put it like that, so you can see that. I love the look of that. And foiled would look so cute as well. Okay, and then same thing with any of the other scripts, you could do the same thing. So if you didn't want to use, just pop that up here. Okay, and all of those scripts work the same way. So if you wanted a bolder font, you could use that one instead. Appointment. Or you could even just put it in the box and then write under it what the appointment is for. For some of the other ones, the ways that I like to use them are so I just grabbed a sheet of leftover to-do flags, and I'm gonna let's grab the to-do. So I love to use these ones in sidebars. I obviously don't have a sidebar in this, like a true sidebar in this planner, but you can put the little to-do sticker there and then grab one of these and lay that down like that, so you can have your little to-do. Same thing with errands. I would use that. I'm gonna leave that there. So errands, and then your little checklist, or just pop that one back up. Or you could grab an actual checklist and pop it in. Whoops, sorry. Pop it in there. And then same thing with, if I can just pop this one up, I'll show you where is my little errand? So you could take your fancier script here and just pop that there, or just above it, or whatever you like. Okay, like that. If you do use, one of the things that I like to do is sort of do this type of thing and then grab one of the arrows and just put an arrow like this. Okay, you can also use the arrows. Where did that appointment one go? So if you grab this, put appointment, and then you could grab your sticker, or your arrow rather, and put that there like that. I love the look of that. All right, so same thing with all of them. You can use them however you want, but I just wanted to show you a couple different ways that that I like to use scripts and arrows, especially these ones in my planner. So we have our arrows. We've got appointment scripts. We have errand scripts. We've got our work scripts and then our to-dos. So 12 different script sheets total, plus the arrows. And then we have our Halloween monthly kit, our blooming kit, autumn wardrobe, and autumn blossoms. So these will all be available in the store tomorrow, Friday, August 21st. I hope you love them as much as I do. I'm very excited for these scripts and these little arrows as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.